Ahmad here with Total Body Experts and Studio Cycles, your partner in finding the best and most effective equipment for your fitness journey. And what we have here is a completely new experience in indoor cycling. What if I told you there's a bike that transforms your indoor cycling experience into an adventurous journey right from the comfort of your own home or gym? The Star Trac Virtual Bike is here to shatter the monotony of indoor cycling, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and community engagement without the shackles of a subscription. If you're just tuning in, welcome to our channel. Here at Total Body Experts and Studio Cycles, we pride ourselves on being the premier destination for everything indoor cycling. From the sleekest bikes to the latest accessories, we delve into the nitty-gritty to help you pedal your way to peak fitness. Want the inside scoop on the finest cycling gear? Hit that subscribe button and ride along with our community. In today's review, we'll delve into the technology, explore the workout library, understand the bike's durability and performance, feel the pulse of community engagement, and assess the versatility of this fitness marvel. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how the Star Trac Virtual Bike is the right companion for your fitness journey. And make sure to stick around till the end, as I'll share a unique feature that sets this bike apart from the rest. The heart of the Star Trac Virtual Bike lies in the state-of-the-art commercial-grade indoor cycle, crowned with a 21-inch touchscreen display. An easy-to-use interactive console puts advanced technology at a finger's touch. This isn't just a bike, it's a gateway to a comprehensive visual cycling experience where every pedal stroke propels you through a new frontier. Don't want to pay another monthly subscription? This is your bike. The Star Trac Virtual Bike bypasses this hurdle, offering a rich content library that's subscription-free, paving the way for limitless fitness exploration without any strings attached. Impressed by the convenience? Wait till you discover the robust build of this machine. Durability is not just about withstanding wear and tear, it's about relentless performance day in and day out. The Star Trac Virtual Bike is crafted for intense training sessions, ready to endure the grind of dedicated fitness fanatics or commercial cardio environments. When the going gets tough, this bike keeps going. Now, let's explore connectivity. In a world where everything is interconnected, your bike should not be an exception. With tap-to-pair features for Apple Gym Kit and Samsung Galaxy Watch, and access to apps like Netflix, the Star Trac Virtual Bike extends the boundaries of what an indoor bike can offer. It's not just about the ride, it's about how you stay connected throughout. But connectivity is nothing without community. Fitness is a journey often better traveled with like-minded individuals. The Star Trac Virtual Bike fosters a sense of community with simple ways to connect to like-minded riders, making each workout not just a solitary endeavor, but a shared experience. Your motivation multiplies when you're a part of a community headed towards the same fitness goal. Teaming up with intelligent cycling, the Star Trac Virtual Bike opens up a realm of content, including instructor-led rides, captivating virtual worlds, and multi-ride training sequences. It's about transcending the conventional ride and venturing into a domain where cycling meets creativity. Now, let's shift gears and look at how versatile this indoor marvel can be. Whether it's a bustling gym floor or a serene home setup, the Star Trac Virtual Bike adapts to your environment. Its versatility makes it a suitable choice for riders of all fitness levels, ensuring that no matter where you are in your fitness journey, the Star Trac Virtual Bike is ready to ride along. It's not just another piece of equipment, it's a companion in your pursuit of fitness. With its advanced features, it stands as a game changer in indoor cycling. Ready to step up your cycling game with the Star Trac Virtual Bike? At Total Body Experts and Studio Cycles, we offer free consultations and guarantee the best pricing nationwide. Enjoy a lifetime warranty, discounted shipping, and zero interest financing. We're backed by a vast network of service providers across the country, and with over 50 years of collective experience, our specialists are here to assist you. Chat with us on studio-cycles.com or call us toll-free at the number below. Your upgraded fitness journey is just a call away. Once again, I'm Ahmad. Thanks for checking us out. We'll talk to you soon.